Hey everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this headband. I use 5mm hook and 5mm yarn. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot and chaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 chains in here. Insert your hook into this third chain, skip one chain, go to third chain, pull up yarn, make a loop, go to next chain, pull up yarn, make a loop. Hold these loops on your hook. Go to next chain, pull up yarn, make a loop, hold these loops, pull up yarn, make a loop in each stitch. Hold yarns on your hook. Show. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 loops in here. Yarn over, make a chain in last loop. Make one chain. In here, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. And continue. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, 2 yarns, 2 yarns, pull through 2 last yarns. I show. We made these stitches. In here, take this loop on your hook. We have 2 yarns in here. Take front loop on your hook. In first stitch, I show. Take front loop on your hook. Hold this yarn on your hook. Yarn over, pull up yarn, take this yarn on your hook. In here, take yarn on your hook like this. Go to next stitch, take next loop on your hook, pull up yarn, hold this yarn, like this, make a loop on your hook. Go to next stitch, pull up yarn, make a loop, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, make a loop, pull up yarn, make a loop, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, in last stitch we take 2 yarns, these loops on your hook. Insert your hook into this stitch and take these yarns, these loops on your hook, pull up yarn. Now we have 1, 19, 20 loops on hook. Yarn over, make a chain in last stitch, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns, 3 yarns, and repeat. Pull through 3 yarns. Now we have 2 yarns on hook. Pull through 2 yarns together. In here, go to this stitch. First stitch, take 2 loops on your hook, 2 loops together. Pull up yarn, take this yarn on your hook, take these 2 yarns, like this. Take 2 yarns and continue same as before row. Take 2 yarns, this I show these 2 yarns, take yarn on hook, take 2 yarns, pull up yarn, and repeat. In last stitch, take these 2 loops on your hook. Pull up yarn, make a chain, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together, 3 yarns together, 3 yarns together, 3 yarns, 3 yarns, 3 yarns together, 3 yarns, 3 yarns, 3 yarns. In last stitch we have 2 yarns. Pull through 2 yarns together and repeat. Take 2 yarns, pull up yarn, take this yarn on your hook, take these 2 yarns, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, repeat. Take these 2 loops in last stitch, add 1 chain, pull through 3 yarns, 3 yarns, 3 yarns, 3 yarns, show and repeat. Take 2 yarns, pull up yarn, 2 yarns. We continue to crochet on these stitches and repeat. Make more rows. Take 2 loops, make a chain, pull through 3 yarns, 3 yarns, 3 yarns, 3 yarns, 3 yarns, and repeat. In last stitch we have 2 yarns. Make more rows, measure this part around your head. I made these rows also take this yarns, pull up yarn, also take 2 yarns, pull up yarn, take yarn on your hook, take 2 yarns, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, continue like this, pull up yarn, take these 2 yarns on your hook, yarn over, make a chain, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together, 1, I show 1, 2, 3, pull through 3 yarns, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns, yarn over, 3 yarns, 3 yarns, 3 yarns, and continue. 3 yarns together. Into last stitch, take 2 yarn, pull through 2 yarns together. You can make more rows in here. More rows. I have 50 centimeters in here. This is suitable for 60 headband. If your headband is 58, you should make 48. Take 2 loops in 2 sides and join 2 sides together. We have 8 centimeters in here.